Yardpreetv, them never want me boss, but now what time for man attack. Lucky thing me never fall, I true me solid as a rock. I fi believe in myself, that's why me never stop. So tell me how me fi drop out and me no buy the Cadillac. Yo Yardpreetv, hey, them no want fi see me reach far, hey, and them no want fi see me break through. Yo, me come me like a Japanese car driving go straight through. Because me tired fi hungry, me tired fi suffer. Tired of the bread, yo, me tired of the butter. Me tired of the tough life things I get tough. I true me come from the ghetto, aka the gutter. So Yardpreetv, how we say money you fi make. Hear me I say no man, when you see the face and hear the voice and see the image, you know I Instinkt represent for Yardpreetv. You don't know the thing go. Boom.
Yes, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to people all over the world, as well as the aliens on various planets in the universe tuned in to Yardpreetv right now.
Right now.
Yes. We like to welcome one of our special guests, one of Jamaica's uprising talented recording artists who goes by the name of Instink, who love to see the girls in
big.
Alright, you know, hear that for yourself, ladies. Alright. So what are going Instinkt?
There man, there and I still them and I go on with a little vibe and thing, you know what I mean?
Give thanks for being on the show, because we know you have a busy schedule, you know?
Hold on man, likewise man, likewise, you know what I mean?
Alright. So, first and foremost, the people them want to know how you get the name Instink.
Boy, me I tell you, it's a long story, you know. We don't know, I cut a long story short, you know what I mean? But I don't know, we've been doing the music from a tender age and thing, and we never really start out with a designated name still, you know what I mean? We just write some songs and just do music, we love the thing, you know what I mean? But at the time, you know, we young as artists and we're also young in our mind at the time, so you know, a whole heap of gun lyrics and all of that, you know what I mean? And it was a friend named Kingpin. One day we went on a little ends and I spit some song and all a vibe. Kingpin, big up yourself, youth. Him kind of give me the name still, you know what I mean? I say, youth, you have a killer instinct in the dog, your body in lyrically, you know. You see me, I look on it and I say, you know, the name sound like something we can work with for the time being, you know what I mean? So we run with it, you know what I mean? But over time, you know, we drop the killer off fight, we get to find out, say, over the years, a whole heap of killer in the business, you know what I mean? And when you see how the thing set with the killing situation, you know what I mean? So we drop the killer and just say, Instinct, love see the girls in pink, you know what I mean?
Kind of more positive, you know.
You know what I mean?
Yes sir, yes sir. So where in Jamaica the eye is originally from?
Yeah, well they don't know the parish of Kingston, you know what I mean? They don't know Whitehall Avenue to be exact. You know what I mean? And that's how we born and raised, you know what I mean?
You got Whitehall. So which school you attended while growing up as a youth?
Alright, well the first school I attended, you know, is Mennonite. You know what I mean? Mennonite Basic School, and then we moved to Swallowfield Primary and Junior High School, and from there to Kingston Technical High School. Is it downtown?
Downtown. Straight. So as a youth, how was it growing up in the community of Whitehall?
Well, I mean, it wasn't all easy, you know, because we don't come from a rich family. You know what I mean? We never born with no gold spoon in our mouth, you know what I mean? So it wasn't easy, but we have a loving family, a loving surrounding, a loving community, so each one look out for each one and thing, you know what I mean? So as I say, I just the love man for each other really carry through, you know what I mean? Yeah man.
So Instinkt, who inspired you to become a recording artist?
Well, it's a whole lot of people, you know man. Whole lot of people, so much I can't even call him name right now, but I mean from a youth, from a child growing up, really admire Bounty Killer, you know what I mean, the great Rodney Price, you see me? You don't know man like Sizzla Kalonji, Capleton, Buju Banton, Shabba Ranks, Garnet Still, Bob Marley, and the list goes on, you know what I mean, and them grow up and listen to and see it on the TV all the time, so them give you a big inspiration man, especially to the way how they motivate people, you know what I mean, and have such a huge impact over the world in a positive way, is it?
See. So as an upcoming artist, what are some of the obstacles you have faced in the music business?
Well, I mean, as I say earlier, it's not that easy, you know, it may look easy in one side, you know what I mean, but it's not easy because two of the things that, you know, it's like if you don't have money in your pocket, it's hard to reach somewhere in the music business. Because, you know, say, corruption they all about, you know what I mean, corruption the four corners of the world. And it's hard to get rid of it and thing, you see me? So, I just make the right links and have the right connections, you know what I mean, so you can get your stuff to be seen and heard out there in the world, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Definitely. In your beginning stages, till present, who are some of the producers you have worked with?
Alright, as you know, when we just start still, you know, we did work with various producers because we did just go from studio to studio, PL to studio time and record a 1 and 2 song. You know, but in 2011, you know, we linked with Great Fusion, same place on the White Collar Avenue. From there, you know, we create a chemistry, you know, him as the producer, me as the artist. And we do a lot of work together and we create such a huge impact, you know what I mean? So, from there, you know, we fall in a goals and goals hands right now. You know what I mean? And expect a lot of things, man, in the making, you see?
Okay. You've recently been added to RJR's cross-country invasion show artist lineup. How does it feel to perform on such a magnificent show with great entertainers as an upcoming artist?
Right away the voice them should have known say I Instink. Love see the girls in pink. Some of them are one, alright? We ready for go on? We ready for go on? No! Yeah man, I Instink on the name man. Get used to the name and get used to the face, see? Not very in the G. Yeah man, I want to name tired. Let me get the country. Come on, them hear me and say. See? I Instink representing. Big up all of the artists them there. Be a bad artist on the bus. You see me? When you get used to the one now. What a tired, me tired, be hungry, me tired, be sofa, tired of the break, me tired of the butter.
Yo, I tell you, say, yo, I wish every young artist could have get that feeling, the brother, in the bus, among the people, them and the artists, them and the promoters, them and the organizers, them, to just feel the vibe, brother, because I tell you, say, it never normal. You see me, especially if I share the stage with the ones them, yo, man, I tell you, the feeling unexplainable, man, I swear, but it was a great experience, a really great experience, you know what I mean, and I give thanks to RJR and the whole communication team for the whole opportunity, you know what I mean, I don't know, gratitude is the most of this whole thing, you see me, I swear, it was one of the greatest, man, trust me.
So, who are some of the entertainers you've been amongst on the cross-country invasion tour?
Yeah, I tell you, say, yo, some great artists, and I mean, some from before and some more newer sets and things, and I mean, I don't know, man, like Busy Signal and them, man, the Turf General, you see me? You don't know Maca Diamond, Maca Dosha, speak up yourself more, you see me? Yeah man, you don't know a couple people well man, The Angel said you don't know upcoming artists like myself, you're exclusive on them you there. You get to me and say, yeah man, a whole heap of talent man, some real talented people, you know what I mean? Yeah man.
Yeah. Boy, Instinct, me and my team, you see, Yardpreetv, we got a chance to be at one of the cross-country invasion shows, but it was Negril, I believe.
Yeah man.
And we saw you perform 2 songs, right? It was Tired and Watch Over Me.
Yeah.
And it seems to be a well-received, you know, songs by the crowd. Like,
Yes,
whenever
man.
you perform them, tell me about these singles and the response you personally get from the people when
Yo.
doing these songs, you know?
Nah, like still no boy, you see that song the way name Tired Still.
You see the life we live, and no joke. Fittest and the fittest of the valley in your coat. When you come around, you better watch where you a smoke. Cause I'm marijuana in our brain and no coke, yo.
A Gold Tea produce it, my general, that big up yourself anyway, my general, you see me, from Golds and Golds production, you know what I mean? Yeah man, the song there is the song where we currently blast out to the world right now, you see me? Yeah man, the video will be released anytime now, any moment now, you see me? Yeah man, I tell you say the response wonderful, I swear. Sometimes I didn't even know say I saw the people that really respond to the thing, you know what I mean? And it's a wonderful feeling. And the other song now, Watch Over Me, yeah man, that is produced by Greg Fusion's Records, you know what I mean? Boy, that song they know about, that purpose bag or something, cause I don't know every time I perform the song, I'm gonna say, oh, sing people, the people them sing man. Like
yeah, because I was
there.
Heard
before, you know
yes, I saw it, and you know, the people them was singing it word for word and them hearing it for the first time. You know, the words captivated people. It was amazing.
I mean, for who see the video or for those who were there, them can't tell you man, and they were nothing normal. So I mean, as an upcoming artist like myself, like yo, it's a great feeling man, trust me. It's a great feeling, sir. I swear. Yeah man.
Another thing we noticed, right? Because we went to 2 events. One was at Portmore, and the other was at Negret, right? But the one at Portmore, you laugh it because you see, if you do what I'm going to ask you already.
Come on, let the girls just see, man. I like your attire. Give me a round of applause again. Yeah, man, I want to look like about $6.99.
You know, the ladies, man,
Yo, Jaja.
they were screaming for your attire, you know?
Jaja.
So, you know, I guess, because many women were speaking.
Yeah.
Many women were speaking, you know what I'm saying? And they were asking, I wonder if he's single, you know? So for the lady fans, the female fans out there, they would like to know what is the relationship status based upon what them see upon the attire, you know?
Jaja.
Because, you know, they wonder, you know, they wonder, you know, big artist.
Yo, Jano. Jano Star. In terms of the whole relationship things, you know, big one thing, why? Right now, just don't say, Instinct just single right now, you know what I mean? Instinct is a single man right now, you see me? So ladies, you can send in a recommendation and a resume, you understand?
Yeah. Hear that, ladies? Hear from the man himself, you know, Instinct, love to the girls in pink. Many of your fans also would like to know, as an upcoming artist performing for the first time on such a major event, were you nervous in the beginning? Nervous?
Well, you don't know. It happened to the greats, you know what I mean? So, I mean, nerves can't take anybody at any moment. But, to be honest, no, you know, because if you're familiar with the videos, you can see from walk up on the stage until we walk off back, say, no shaking is never there, none at all, man. We just deliver and move on, you see me?
Yeah,
man.
Yes, sir. Confidence.
Straight confidence, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because I heard people at the venue saying you perform as if you've been in the business for years.
Yeah.
You know? Which is a good look.
Yeah, straight.
If you could change 3 things in the music industry, what would it be and why?
What a question, man. I mean, there are a lot of things that need to be changed in the music scene. As we said, it's unfair for a lot of us who don't have it financially. You know what I mean? For really spend money on your thing, to get your thing out there, because when you have money in your pocket and in your hands, apparently you're going to reach far, you know what I mean? Because money get your places, as the world know. You see me? But 3 things that I really like to change still. As I said, there's more than 3, but you know, certain things like payroll and them thing there. You have to, artists have to pay this jacket if you play them song and them thing there. Them thing there, no, yo. You see me? Because I say not everybody have it financially to take care of that something, you know what I mean? And another thing too, some sound man and some disc jockey to stop the one side, you know what I mean, and stop two side. Because you can't be a disc jockey and a two side. You get me? I say, for instance, the Gully and the Gaza thing. If you're a disc jockey, you're just a disc jockey. You're just a play music. You get me? I say, when you choose side no one, you know what I mean, it reflects back on the fans them, and that cause segregation in the music, you know what I mean, and that cause chaos in the music, and we don't want that. You see me? And another thing, just want the youth them to read, man, and just learn, you know what I mean, try to learn about the business more. You get me? I say, because there's always a lot to learn, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Definitely. If you have the option, if you had the option of recording with 3 international artists, who would they be and why?
Well, yeah man, as you know man like Shaggy and them man the international platform artists, you know what I mean? You don't know them man, they are Jamaican, you don't know the love for have a song with them man the same way. You know what I mean? People like Eminem, one of the greatest rapper in history, you don't know with them man there, you know what I mean? Because you know we are listening to them man the music from a tender age and thing, you know what I mean? There's a lot of them, you know, but General Star really pinpoint somebody else, you know, kinda hard still, you know what I mean? But I mean another great like Jay-Z and them man there, you know what I mean? Yeah man.
What advice do you have for young artists that are inspired to be like you in the future?
Read a lot. You see me? Read a lot. Learn. Always try to seek knowledge. You see me? Yeah, that in the business there's always something new to learn. You can't learn too much. You know what I mean? And the more you know, the better for you as an artist. That's all I got to say about that.
As you know, Vybz Kartel, right, is one of the greats, if not the greatest, right now to ever do it in dancehall music.
Teacher, you know?
Yeah. How do you feel about his conviction, and how do you feel about his appeal as well?
Well, I mean, to be total honest, you know, we all know say law, the whole concept of law kind of unbalancing, you know what I mean? Really unfair and thing, because if you charge a man for murder, you know, see, and not having a body to show say, yo, this is a person that is murdered or was murdered. Me I say that kind of contrary, isn't it? So it's sad, you know what I mean, for the whole outcome of the thing, but you don't know. We also say the man that behind bars and I run the place same way, you know what I mean? There's no doubt about that. Are the most consistent artist same way, are the body same way, are the teacher same way, are the word bar same way. So I just can't tell that man. You see me, as I said, the whole behind bars, so you know it's set away still. You know, but we know say they were him there and still so dominant, you know what I mean? Well, I mean, I know he do it, you know, but he might do it and the world see it. You see?
Put it on repeat, So, the fans out there would like to know what to expect of you this year in terms of music, music videos and all these things, and how can they get in touch with you on social media to keep up to date with your shows and etc. You know what I'm saying?
Well, alright. Well, the fans and the whole world at large can expect a bag of things from this Instinct this year, because as I said earlier, we're under Golds and Golds production wings right now, and a lot of work I put in, you know what I mean? Videos coming soon, a lot of new songs coming soon, you know what I mean? So you can definitely look out for all of that, you know what I mean? Just follow the movement, man, and stay up to date with the whole movement, you know what I mean? I don't know, Instagram, you can find Instink on Instagram at Instinks Media, that's one word. Instink, INSTINK 876 Media. You don't know Twitter, same thing, Instinct 876 Media, no space, just one word. You know what I mean? Yeah man, a whole heap of new songs, a whole heap of new production, and a whole heap of things to look forward for, man. Right now Instinct are in them face, man, in them the eyesight this year, man. Like whoa, so expect a lot of things, man. Definitely.
Alright, one last thing. What would you like to say to people overseas that are interested to come to Jamaica but are scared because of the violence they are seeing being reported on television? And also, what is the message you would like to give to the entire Jamaica based upon the killing and the raping? Because although we have negative situations going on, Jamaica still has positive things about this beautiful island.
As usual.
So I'd like you to elaborate on that for the people.
Well, alright, the ones overseas, I mean, there's always a time when people from all over the world want to come to Jamaica. no matter what about in Jamaica. And in terms of the whole crime and violence thing, it's a really sad situation, you know what I mean? And me sure say the police them do them best to try to keep the thing under control and thing, you know what I mean? And me sure say the people them, the good people them at least, I try them best to, you know what I mean, to keep the thing real too. And as we say, it's a sad situation, Star, because you don't know the whole tourism sector, you know, the whole thing I got drop, you know what I mean? Because if people scared to come here, them not gonna come, obviously, you see me? So, I just the people them feel wise up, man, and just know say, oh, I love the thing them, man, because we say a whole heap of people all over the world want to visit Jamaica for various reasons too, you know what I mean? Some for the food, some want to come for the weather alone, some just like the whole, you know what I mean, just the whole culture of Jamaica. You see me, because we have something where the world just attracted to it, you know what I mean? So just we, for wise up, man, and just know say, oh, I love, man. You see, because the world want to come here, man. Trust me, the world want to come to Jamaica. Yeah, man.
Alright, it was a blessing having you on the show.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Instinct would love to see the girls in pink. So ladies, when you attend his shows, make sure you dress from in a full pink from head to toe. You hear that? Yeah, man, pink nail polish, pink drawers, you know?
Yeah. Pink panties. Pink bra.
Alright, let's see how we're going to stay. Big up.
Up top.
Up top.